The speed of light is constant. I suppose we are all aware of that. The movement of an object, the space and the time of its travel are all relative to the other object moving with it or not moving with it at a different speed. In all such movements, the speed of light remains as an unchangeable constant. The Gayathri mantra adores the light, which is an unchangeable constant. Gayathri is considered as the supreme and the oldest mantra from Rig Veda. This mantra, the most secular of all mantras, addresses the immanent and transcendent divine light to inspire our intellect. The light is the connecting factor in all the particles of this universe. Yeah, we're all one entity connected by the divine light. The word Savitur in the original Sanskrit may be interpreted in two ways. Firstly, as the Vedic sun, and secondly, as the originator or the creator. The Gayathri mantra is dedicated to the Savitur, a Vedic sun deity. However, many monotheistic religions hold that there is no God except theirs. Never mind. Some perceive the divine as the only reality that they believe in, and they say that there is only one God, whereas Sanatana Dharma says that not only one God, but there is only God. When we propound that the God pervades everything, the other dimension that there is only one God and there is no God, all hold good logically, right? Hence, setting aside the differences in perception of reality, let us come to the topic, Gayathri and the theory of relativity. What is the earthly connection between the theory of relativity and Gayathri mantra of Gayathri? As religion is a set of beliefs supported by emotion, as science is a set of beliefs supported by convincing substantiation, spirituality is a set of beliefs supported by pure experience. Hence, emotion, intellect, experience, when complement one another, make the learner understand the fact clearly. Therefore, let us not separate beliefs, science, and spirituality, as all of them are three different ranks in the hierarchy of human experience. Through his theory of relativity, the 20th century superscientist Albert Einstein gave the world the formula which equated the science with the mass multiplied by speed of light square. The relevance of Gayathri mantra here is that the mantra eulogizes the all-pervading light that subsists and engulfs the entire universe, being the constant source of creation, which proved that rishis and yogis of this great land had perceived the idea of relativity. We can understand from the stories of King Kukugni and Muchkun, who travelled to Brahmaloka and Indraloka and spent an hour or two there, were astonished to find out that the time on earth moved very fast and they lost everything they possessed on earth, as within the set time an yuga or two had elapsed on earth. The time dilation from the theory of relativity does not apply to the Almighty, who is beyond the time factor, and he is known as the Kalatitaya, one who transcends time. The light is worshipped by the mantra, pervades every particle of the animate and the inanimate universe, and it is constant, unmoving, and unchangeable. The theory further adds that the mass and the energy of an object becomes infinite when it travels at the speed of light, and the time stops there when it meets the speed of light. What an amazing experience it would be. Sounds like a science fiction, right? Gayathri is the all-pervading light that permeates the entire universe and which is the only constant, and all other physical objects and its innate energies are relative to each other. Let's chant Gayathri regularly for being blessed with good health, prosperity, and inner joy. The most secular mantra, Bhagavan Sri Shakti Sai Baba says, is beyond the differences of race, gender, caste, creed, space, and time.